First of all, let us see the problem statement which was given to us. First of all, here we will be given a non-empty string which will contains alphabets, special characters and digits. What we have to do is, first of all, we should extract all the digits from this non-empty string, and we have to remove, after extracting all the digits, we have to remove the duplicate elements in it. After removing the duplicate elements, we have to make a largest even number with those digits. If it is not possible to make a largest even number, we have to simply return -1. Okay, let's see this one with an example. This is the example that has been given to us in the problem statement, which contains alphabets, special characters and digits. First of all, what we have to do is we have to extract all the digits from this non-empty string, and this is the number that has been extracted from the given string. If we have seen that it has contains duplicate elements. Here one is the duplicate element, so we have to remove the duplicate elements from this number. After removing the duplicate elements, this number will become like this. This is the number without duplicate elements. So after removing the duplicate elements, we have to make this number into an largest even number. How can we make this number into a largest number? By using simply a sorting technique. If we sort this number, it will become like this. This is the largest number that can be formed by using those digits. We will check whether it is even or not. If it is not, if it is even, we will print this number. If it is not even, we will make this one into an even number. How will we make this one into an even number? If we see that if it is an even number, its units digit must be divisible by 2. So if we see that it is not here, it is 1, it is not divisible by 2, so we will, it is as it is in decreasing order, we will traverse through the backward, and we will check for the digit which is divisible by 2. If it is divisible by 2, we will simply remove it from its position and we will add it into the units digit, so that it will become the largest even number. So this is the largest even number that we can be formed from those digits. This is the logic that we will follow in this one. Let's see the code part. The code that we have written for this program, and this statement will takes the input, and here num underscore list will be used to store the digits from the given string. Here this block will be used to extract all the digits from the given string by removing all the duplicate elements, and it will store in num underscore list. Here num underscore list will contains all the elements from the given string. So after that we will sort the num underscore list, so that all the elements in the num underscore list will in ascending order. As we want largest even number, so the number should be in decreasing order. So we will simply reverse the num underscore list, so that all the elements in the list will becomes in descending order. After reversing, we will join all the elements in the num underscore list and we will convert into integer type. So now num will become largest number. After that, we will check whether it is even or not. If it is an even, we will simply print it, or else we will make it into an even number. As the digits in the num underscore list is in decreasing order, we will traverse the num underscore list in reverse order, and we will find the minimum even number. If we got the minimum even number, we will simply remove the minimum even number from the list, and we will insert it into the units position, so that it will becomes largest even number. After that, we will join all the elements in the num underscore list and we will simply print it. As we got the answer, we simply break the iteration. If we doesn't get any even number, we will print -1.